Welcome. Okay, today we are going to create a bottle. First, we go to our command prompt, type picture frame, enter, and see this one. Double click. Okay, come to front view and click here and click OK. Now select this one picture, then go to here. This one I will reduce the opacity 30. Okay, I draw the center line, type 0, enter. Yeah. This one place to, yeah. Okay, now I lock this picture. Yeah, lock. Okay, now I'm going to draw. Go to this command, control point curve, select and come here, click here, then you can draw like this. Okay, here straight, tab it. Okay, draw. Okay, now I draw already my bottle. Now I'm going to revolve this one. Go to this command, this one, revolve command. Click this one and select curve and press enter. Start point I type 0, press enter, then this line is come upside, then click and start angle is 0, press enter, then revolve angle is 360, click enter. Okay, now it's okay. Now I'm going to give thickness for this one. Select, go to this offset surface, select, I got to flip all inside 0.2, type enter.